Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. And if you can get out to Walgreens ASAP, this might be worth your time. Some of these body washes that are the Walgreens brand are 90% off. Typically, with clearance, they either do it on a Tuesday or a Saturday. That's when you'll see these markdowns. So if it's not in your markdown just yet, it is a coming. You can always grab one or two of the products that I'm going to show you, bring them up to the front cash, and ask for a price check. You have to do this in store, can't do it through the app, just to answer that quick question. But I really found like the big bonanza of these body washes. And just to let you guys know, this happened, I think, last year around Labor Day as well. So it's on some sort of weird clearance cycle. If you have a beauty counter, I found them specifically merchandised at the front near the beauty counter. You know, when you walk in the store, they have all of this on a lower shelf, as I'm showing you in this little video. And these are the scents. If you want to grab a screenshot, we have the cherry blossom, bright sunshine. We have a hand soap, which was pear and coconut, cucumber melon, and fresh ocean. There's also a men's one too, I didn't include, but I'll show you here in a quick second. But 90% off for 29 cents. It's totally what it's about. Watch the cash register like a hawk, because some of them were not programmed. They were ringing up full price, but the cashier modified them for me. But yeah, we have the Sport Body Wash, 29 cents, and the Pear Coconut Hand Soap. So whenever it is really this cheap, even with the Walgreens brand, definitely stock up, especially if you give generously to extended family or whatever you're going to do with your stockpile, you know? We have cucumber melon, cherry blossom. I think these were supposed to be like Bath and Body Work dupes, if I'm going to give you my educated guess. We have fresh ocean and bright sunshine. It's very Bath and Body Works. And what kind of tipped me off that maybe it's even made in the same factory as Bath and Body Works, these are actually manufactured in Canada, and I think some of their body wash products are manufactured up there, because I look at labels like a loser. But these are product of Canada, which is like kind of strange. Made in Canada. There it is. But here are all the UPCs if you want to check at your stores. Be on the lookout for these. And if they're not on clearance now, maybe next Saturday or next Tuesday, if this is something you really want to stock up on, walk near that aisle with all the body washes. You might be pleasantly surprised, but grab a screenshot of both the products and these UPCs. Now, if you can't track them down, but you still want to do a fabulous deal, I would say it's this one. The Nivea men's lotion is double dipping. Actually, all of the Nivea products are double dipping. The promotion for this is to spend 20, get back 10 in Walgreens cash. However, it's also producing a $10 register reward. Now, if you grab two of the men's, Ibotta is giving back $2 for each. So it's a little bit of extra free frosting on the cake. So make sure that you have the Ibotta rebates. And if your store has this men one, it's really fantastic. So grabbing two of the men's, it's $21.98. You got to pay that with your debit card. Or if you have manufacturer register rewards from Crest or other things earlier in the week, throw those in. You're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash, because the promotion for Nivea is spend 20, get back 10, boom, plus a $10 register reward that's been printing out, and that's the glitch. Photograph that receipt to Ibotta, get another $4 back, making this free and a $2 money maker. If you can only track down two of like the generic or the lady scents, it'll be 99 cents per body wash, which is still fire. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You can use a manufacturer, but not a store, because a store would be like an IVC and it would dip your $20 below that. And just to show you my register reward, I did this yesterday evening-ish and it was still printing for me. So good luck with this. I would go and do it right away, because who doesn't love this? Okay, I also found this in the app this morning. So load the $7.99 off of 2 Love Beauty Planet shampoo coupon. We will come up with a deal for this guy, but load it. It's good till the middle of September. We will have a deal. Just load it so you have it, guys. And I just want to talk really quickly about some quick clearance, including these dark chocolate M&Ms for $1.79. I know that's not like fabulous price, but it's cheap candy if this is your thing. We also have these cheaper stuffed puffed marshmallows. So they're filled with chocolate. They actually seem really lovely. So that's 90% off. Most of the summer food at my local store was only 50, so wasn't that great. But some of it was 90, which was weird. We also have this Green Mountain coffee for $2.79, original price $10.99. So if you have a Keurig and you're about those fancy morning coffees, definitely be on the lookout for Nantucket Blend. And we have these cute little hair accessories, 90% off for 79 cents. So if you can get out to Walgreens right away at 29 cents, I think most people are just going to start clearing stores of these gorgeous body washes and such. I would go and do that right away. At least go and check what your store has in stock. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.